Using SushiSwap with Trust Wallet allows you to trade, provide liquidity, and manage your decentralized finance activities securely. Here's how to use SushiSwap with Trust Wallet. Install Trust Wallet. Download and install Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Set up or import the wallet using your recovery phrase or private key. Connect Trust Wallet to SushiSwap. Open Trust Wallet and ensure you are connected to the Ethereum network. Visit SushiSwap on your mobile browser or desktop browser. Connect Wallet. On SushiSwap, click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select Trust Wallet from the list of supported wallets. A Trust Wallet pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect. Approve the connection. Swap tokens. After connecting, you can start swapping tokens on SushiSwap. Choose the token you want to swap from the first drop-down, then select the token you want to receive in return. Enter the amount you wish to swap, and SushiSwap will calculate the expected amount. Confirm the transaction in your Trust Wallet to complete the swap. Provide liquidity. You can earn rewards by providing liquidity to token pools. In the Pools section, select the liquidity pair, deposit tokens, and earn sushi or other incentives. Manage transactions. View your swaps, liquidity pools, and rewards directly from your Trust Wallet, ensuring secure access to your funds.